Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to everyone. I'm giving the question answers. Okay, so please complete in the copy, and I'm giving some exercise from the book only. So that one you should complete in the book if possible. Then you will complete in the copy. I think I already given and some are left. So question answer is there, hard work is there, so you should complete in the copy, and please complete your work and share with me with me how you will connect by my mail. So I hope you will, and I will take the 2 3 maybe 4 tests in one chapter, 2 tests. So really I will give the marks. If you are not attend whatever time I am giving that date, you should not submit the paper or work, I will cut your marks. So be careful about that. The chapter 1 and chapter 2 I will make test. So please learn seriously and be ready for the test. You completed 3 chapter inshallah from today. Today is the last working day, means 2 days rest. So better one day one chapter possible complete, second day second chapter you should complete. Computer is so easy, it's not, because we are daily we are using this, so it's so easy. So please cooperate me. So I already half completed, so I want to continue today this third chapter. Little bit is there, then other than cool tip. If you have opened many applications and want to have a look at your desktop, press window key, see, window key plus D. So this is the shortcut key. Now come to the down run. The run option help to start program. Can you identify this what I am using? This is the arrow, don't forget. Next it will help to you to run any program. Click on start button, a menu screen, see, click start button, menu screen is appear. Move the mouse pointer just, this is the mouse pointer just below the all program, see, just below the all program. Here is the all program, just below the all program, where you can see a blank space. See, you can see here one blink is there and blank space there. This is called the search program and files option. So after that the run, come down here, we click, after that it appear. Type run by using keyboard, a list or options will appear on the screen, you can see. Then come next, see, can you see this box, blue color, OK, cancel, and what it's written one more, browsing. Okay, so fourth point is move the mouse pointer. I told you na, this is the called mouse pointer, it's called, you can see the screen triangle shape. Run options and the press enter key. Fifth point, a new small windows appear on the screen. See, new small windows appear on the screen. Type the name of the program you want to open. Click on OK to open it. If you put write here name, then you will put OK. But main important thing, what name you just keep in the mind, then same spelling you should type, then it will become. If you are typing some other name and you want file other, so no will get. Come down, you know very well shut down and opening the computer, because in the first class you are doing, previous the pupils are using like desktop computer, now everybody using laptop, but the process is almost same. Okay, if battery is not there, so we are using plug for the charge battery. Okay, so let's start shutdown. Shutdown help you to close all program on the computer. To use shutdown options, follow the given steps. First, click on start button on the taskbar. The start menu screen appear. See, small screen. See, here is the screen. Second option, click on shutdown button on the lower right corner of the menu. Okay, then next, now switch off the power button on the monitor. Fourth, switch off the power button on the UPS. Switch off the main power supply. So see, step by step here given. Gadgets are the tool which are used to see the information in the easy way. Windows 7 gadgets are calendar. You can see here calendar, clock, CPUS, meter, and these are called gadgets. Okay, our calendar, clock, weather, pictures, puzzles, etc. The figure alongside show the gadgets. For the example, clock display the time, weather show the information about the weather of any place around the world. Calendar is the series of page showing the day, week and month of a year. You know very well calendar. So this one you should complete in the book only if possible, then same complete in the copy, and this you complete in the book only step by step. If any mistake is there, excuse that. Okay, and now come to the question answers. Answer the following questions, please complete in the copy. It's so small, so easy question answers. Okay, so enjoy the weekends. Thank you so much giving your precious time. Thank you, and remember in your prayer, stay at home, enjoy home tea, home cooking, everything. Okay, bye, take care.